Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is example 18, page 104. See, example 18, page 104. Lecture number 18 is the row number 17. Dear student, I hope you understood. Now, I will solve the question. Dear student, at first you read the questions. P, Q, R are the three algebraic expressions in which P equal to this, Q equal to this, and R equal to this. A number question, if A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3, find the value of Q. B number, determine 2P minus 3Q plus 5R. Dear student, there is a mistake in your book. You see 2P minus 3Q minus 5R. This is written in your book. You see properly 2P minus 3Q minus 5R. There is written minus 5R, which is mistake. You cut that minus and write there plus. That means this will be plus. Okay, dear student? Now correction it. Now C number. Prove that the sum of the given expression is equal to twice the first expression. Okay? Now I want to solve question number A. Write given A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Now find the value of Q. Right here, Q equal to what? You see Q equal to 3A minus B plus 9C. Right here, 3A minus B plus 9C. Now you put the value of A, B and C. Then you got the required result. Okay. Now write 3 and A. What is the relation? Relation between 3 and A is multiplication. So you put here multiplication sign. A equal to 1 minus B equal to 2 plus 9. C equal to 3. Right here 3. Now write 3 ones are 3, 2, 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 3. This is equal to 30. 30 minus 2. Okay, 30 minus 2, this is equal to what? 20. Now we write the answer. Answer Q equal to 28. Okay. Now I want to solve question number B. You see the B number question. Determine 2P minus 3Q plus 5R. Right here 2P minus 3Q plus 5R. Okay. Now you have to put the value of P, Q and R respectively. Okay. Now write here, give equal sign and write 2 into P. P equal to what? P equal to 7A plus 5B plus 6C. Okay? P equal to, you see, 7A plus 5B plus 6C. Minus, you put this minus 3, right here 3. Q equal to what? Q equal to 3A, put the value 3A minus B plus 9C. Okay. Now give plus plus sign, 5, you write here 5, r equal to what? You see r equal to minus 3c plus 6b plus 4a plus 4a. Okay, now you have to simplify and you write here putting the value, now you have to simplify. Now look, now multiply 7 to the 14a, 5 to the 10b. Now 2 6 are 12c. Now 3 3 are 9a, minus and this minus and minus a plus, that means 3b. Okay, minus plus a minus, that means 3 times are 27c. Okay, minus plus a minus, 3 3 are 9a, minus minus a plus 3b, minus plus a minus 27c. Now you see here plus minus, minus, 5 3 are 15c, then plus 5 6 are 30b, and 5 4 are 20, right here 20a. Now you have to arrange the a, then you have to arrange the b, then arrange the c. Look, 14a plus c, 20a, then minus 9a. Okay, now you have to arrange the b. See here 10b, then plus 3b, then plus 30b, right here 30b. Okay, and give the first bracket. Now write plus. Now you have to arrange the c. 12c, right here 12c, then find out the c, minus 27c, then minus 15c. Okay, after writing you may recheck. Now 14a plus 20, this is equal to what? 34a minus 9a, 9a. Okay, 4 2 ones are 3. Now plus 10b, 30b, 40 plus 3, that means 43b. Now give plus sign, 12c, 27c minus 15c, that means minus 20c, minus 27c minus 15c. This is equal to what? You can adding 27 plus 15 is equal to 42. Okay, right here 42c. Okay, now 34a minus 9a, this is equal to what? 25a plus 43b, 42 minus 42, and this is plus 42. So you calculate, then you get minus 30c. Okay, dear student, this is the simplification result of B. Okay, that means you see the question number B, determine 2p minus 3q plus 5ar. Okay, now we have got, this is the result. Okay, now you write the answer. 25a plus 43b minus 30c. Okay, I hope you understood here. Now I want to solve question number C. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood A and B. So now I want to erase. Now see the question number C. Prove that the sum of the given expression is equal to twice the first expression. That means we have to arrange the pattern or arrange the terms. Right here, arranging the similar terms, below the other, we get arranging the similar terms below the other, we get, look, we have to arrange now 7a, right here 7a plus 5b then plus 6c. 7a plus 5b plus 6c. Then q equal to, you see, 3a, right, 3a, then minus b, you write here b, minus b plus 9c. Then r equal to what? R equal to minus 3c, right, minus 3c plus 6b, right here 6b plus 4a plus 4a. Now you have to adding this. Okay, 6c plus 9c, this is equal to 15c, 15c minus 3c is equal to 12c. Now 5b plus 6b, 11b minus 1b is equal to 10b. Now 7a plus 3a, 10a plus 4a, that is equal to what? 14a. Okay? Dear student, I hope you understood up to this. This is the addition. You know how can you calculate the addition. Dear student, B number I think you have picked properly. Now I will erase the B number question. Okay? Now you see the question. What is the question? Prove that the sum of the given expressions. That means this is the sum of the given expressions. Okay? But what is the question? Question is that you have to prove that the sum of the given expression is equal to twice the first expression. Twice the first expression. That means 2 times of the first expression. Here is 2 times. First expression is what? This is the first expression. P equal to 7a plus 5b plus 6c. This is the first expression. Okay, now we have to write here the sum of the given expression, the sum of the given expressions equal to what? We have got 14a plus 10b plus 12c. Okay, we have got the result. Now you see here, this is divisible by 2, this is also divisible by 2, and 14 also divisible by 2. So we take here the 2 common. See, 2. If you divide 14a by 2, then you get 7a. Then 5b. Then divide 12 by 2, then you get 6c. C. Okay? Dear student, you carefully look here. Look here. P equal to 7a plus 5b, 5b, 6c, here is also 6c. That means this term, that means first term and this term are equal. So we can write here this is equal to first term. Our first expression. Okay? 2 into first expression. Now you see the question, this question and these meanings are the same. Look, prove that the sum of the given expression, this is the sum, given expression is equal to twice. That means this means what? This means twice the first expression. You see the first expression. Now we have to write, therefore we write, that means our proof has already proved. Now we write according to the questions, right, the sum of the given expression is equal to the twice of the first expression. Twice the first expression. As the question says, prove that, so you write here proved. Okay, dear student, according to the questions, this is the required result. Okay, dear student, now I want to talk with you about your SW topic. You see SW number 17, page 104. Okay, this is your SW. I have changed here. There is written in your book minus 5R. This will be plus 5R. Okay, mind it. Okay, dear student, your assigned SW is very, very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBI marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, I hope that you understood my today's topic. You have to keep practice at home and abide by your parents. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.